Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motor replacement process for your Dyson SV30, you will need a few essential tools. Gather a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep track of screws and components. Start by disconnecting your vacuum cleaner from the power source. Safety is key, so ensure there is no electricity running through the device. Next, remove the dust canister from the vacuum. This is done by pressing the release button and lifting the canister away. Once the canister is removed, locate the screws that hold the top cover in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew these, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. As you remove the top cover, be cautious not to damage any clips or tabs that might be holding it in place. With the cover off, you will see the motor assembly. It's crucial to take note of how the motor is positioned before you start disconnecting it. If you're unsure, take a picture for reference. Now, disconnect the motor wires by gently pulling them out from their connectors. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, providing convenient service right to your door. Next, remove the screws holding the motor in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to loosen any additional clips that might be securing the motor. Once all screws and clips are removed, carefully lift the motor out of the housing. Before installing the new motor, it's wise to clean the internal compartment. Use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the performance of your vacuum cleaner. Now, take your new motor and position it into the motor housing. Ensure that it's aligned correctly and that any clips snap into place. Reconnect the motor wires to their respective connectors, ensuring a snug fit for optimal performance. Once the motor is secured and connected, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Replace the top cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is aligned properly to avoid any issues during use. Before calling it a day, check that everything is functioning correctly. Turn on your vacuum cleaner to see if it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can reach out to us for assistance. Finally, it's a great practice to keep your vacuum clean and well maintained. Regularly check for blockages and clean the filters to prolong the lifespan of your Dyson SV30. If you need a quote before repair for any future issues, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide expert services that take the hassle out of vacuum maintenance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.